Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Tesco Grocery and Clubcard app in store. First, unlock your phone and open the Tesco Grocery and Clubcard app. Make sure you are signed into your account before you start shopping. Once the app opens, look at the bottom of your screen. You will see different tabs and options there. Now tap on the Clubcard tab or icon at the bottom of the screen. After selecting the Clubcard option, a digital club card will appear on your screen. Next, look carefully at the card displayed on your phone screen. You will see an option that says Tap to Scan. Tap on that option to continue. After tapping it, a QR code will appear on the screen. This QR code is what the cashier will scan at the checkout. Make sure you increase your phone brightness if the code is difficult to scan. Also keep the screen steady and unlocked so the cashier can scan it easily. If you are shopping at a man till, place your groceries on the checkout counter as usual. When the cashier is ready, simply show them the QR code on your phone screen. The cashier will scan your phone screen along with your groceries. Once scanned, your Clubcard discounts and points will automatically be applied to your purchase. After payment is completed, you can check your points and savings directly inside the Tesco app. Thanks for watching.